Let's see. Open it up. Go ahead.
Open up, man.
Just mommy? What the heck?
Thank you, Dad.
You okay? We do love you.
Did you show Daddy what it was in the camera?
Hold on, let me read it. Let me read it. What does it say? Read it out loud. What does it say?
It's a concert
What does it say? Read it.
No!
Read it out loud for the camera.
Saturday, July 6, 2013. Hershey Park Stadium, One Direction in concert, 7:30 p.m.
Nah. Now give me a hug. It's all my idea.